Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now I want to presentation my research. The title is review of research on the application of CNG fuel in vehicle engineer. Research bibliography 2013 and 2021. My name is Ratu Munahar and PhD. Okay. This outline in my presentation, the for section number 1 is introduction, number 2 is methods, number 3 is lateral view, number 4 on conclusion. On introduction, compressed natural gas or CNG is a popular alternative fuel because if its potential to create fuel emission low cost. CNG have to solve the problem of increasing energy emission due to the rise in number of vehicles and limit fossil energy production globally. The application of CNG as alternative fuel is essential to produce vehicles with cleaner emission and high economic value. The application is still being proved sustainably through many fields of study, particularly in terms of engine performance. The CNG injection setting used to control the amount gasoline engine to enter the engine. Developing a CNG engine with a EFR stoichiometry and the most appropriate way for association ignition system setting leads to reduce particle concentration in exhaust emission. Exhaust gas resistance is another way to improve CNG performance. EGR, exhaust gas resistance, develop of CNG modeling system. The goal of this review is to present an overview of the research trend in order to identify the potential for developing and upgrading CNG engine application in the cars. The method in research is from the 2017 to 2051. CNG was used to track a review of studies on the use of CNG fuel. Only 38 articles on CNG application for two-car engines for advantage of a total of 82. The most circular about topic was improved engine performance, emission system, eager application, mixture addition methods, combustion ratio, flotation, air CCI application, CNG modeling, and another application were among two topics covered in these studies. Furthermore, approximately 5 to 15, 3, 4, 1, and 6 articles were found on ignition system research, EGR application, mixture, injection method, combustion relation ratio, RCCI application, CNG modeling, and other application respectively. Imran et al. 2016 previously conduction or review and CNG application vehicle from 1991 right to 2016. The safety system, the performance, the inclusion of hydrogen before cars, fuel injection, engine performance, system design, and economic fail issues are among the topics explored. Lateral review, ignition system research into improve performance of CNG engineering with variable system. We carved out with several variations. Number one, set all stated of the laser method has the ability to reduce particle content in exhaust emission, stability to cleaning emission. And the multiple position pedal is used to calibrate of CNG system, which shows the ability to use proper adjustment to improve fuel efficiency of CNG engine. Injection system. To boost engine performance, the injection system was created using multiple approaches, including double injection, direct injection, port fuel injection, and start of injection timing and CNG jet. Okay. The application of EGR to boost injection performance. The injection system was created using multiple approaches. EGR using NOG simultaneous to process Mehla at 2018 its biodiesel to CNG engine with EGR ignition. B20 is used pilot fuel. This method can reduce an at engine load, but the commission characteristics of engine do not solve. The variation of compression ratio. Performance of the engine performed by varying in the engine compression ratio. And the application of RCCI SCA strategy to promote cleaner combustion to reduce emission with a control system. And the synthesis, the following summary several theoretical view focused discussion of the engine. Like this. Yes. This researcher arrived the number one Sugar agrawal focus research improve engine performance methods. Observing basic HCN, and CNG mixing, founding mixed CNG with 20% with better performance than basic CNG. And the researcher next, Bashkar performance with it, Raman Shari, Irfan Song, Senmit, Firma, arrived to Uvenda, Lee Ajit, Cheminko, Gerald Jetli Singh, and Jit all, Samu, Kal all, arrived to Sada. Then conclusion. The literature evaluation of the use and vehicle force to time periods. The period number one focus in economic aspect, engine design, control, and performance, combustion, and fuel injection characteristics. The short fuel fuel operation, hydrogen enriched CNG vehicle, aspect and safety aspect were also differentiated. Then period is number two, atau second period in meantime. Modification of the engine system, injection system, RCC application, air inquiry, EGR design, other research and reshuffled for than 20% of the foods, however, safety-based modeling FCNG. In the first periods, the lateral review and application of CNG vehicle load does not immediate to development of the control system besides injection control system. Then scope of future works, research and developing the control system applied machine learning, deep learning, internal engine aspect, and different characteristics to realize energy efficiency with a friendly vehicle change scope. Thank you. Is my presentation. Start in here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.